All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. Welcome back to Brand by Tutorial. Okay, if this is your first time of coming across to our YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. All right, so we are Brand by Tutorial. You are welcome. What we do in this channel is that we talk about things that concerns JAMB, admission, WAEC, NICO, and so many of them. All right, so if you are any of these candidates, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all bell notifications so that when I drop amazing video, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so before I go right to the video, I want to introduce our platform to you. All right, so we have our platform for our JAMB official platform, and Post UTME and admission platform for 2024 registered UTME candidates. Of course, you yourself can become one of our members. The only way you can become one of our members is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp group. I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. Then after getting to know you on WhatsApp, I will definitely have to add you to our WhatsApp group. All right, so there in our WhatsApp group, you have access to so many other things, and you also want to interact with your fellow aspirants. I believe that's actually what you want. Okay, if that's actually what you want, I want you to give this video a thumbs up, then let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. All right, I'd rather to give you my WhatsApp number that you get to know you on WhatsApp, and after getting to know you, boom, you join our WhatsApp group. Okay, so let's get right to this video. Today's topic is a Post UTME syllabus and area of concentration in 2024 Post UTME examination. All right, so I'm so sorry, for a very long time now I've not been posting videos here, just as I promised. All right, so I was too busy. All right, so I was too busy. That's why I've not been posting for very long now, and now I'm back to be posting. All right, so it is important for you to subscribe if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, and turn on all bell notification, because I'm posting. All right, so you don't have to miss it. And I'm still coming back with revisions on the 2024 Post UTME questions and answers, and you don't want to miss it out. So that's why it's important for you to subscribe. All right, so let's get right to the video. Okay, so you all know that most of the times I come here to do to answer so many questions I receive from my candidates. All right, so I have a WhatsApp candidate and I also have Facebook candidate as well. All right, so any question they ask me, I would only come here to answer the question. The reason why I come here to answer the question is very simple, because it is not as if I cannot answer the question particularly on that platform, or answer the question to them separately. But the reason is because I know that there are some other persons out there which is actually looking for this kind of, or maybe they might not, they don't know actually have somebody to ask this kind of question. All right, so that's why I have to come here to put out the video here for you guys. So if there's any other person out there that have this kind of question but they don't know who to ask the question to, they will definitely have to learn from this video. Okay, so it is important for you to share this video to as many aspirants group as you can, so that they can actually learn now and benefit from this video. All right, so I know the exam is fast approaching. For some schools, they have started writing their own, while some, theirs is fast approaching. All right, so and I know so many of you will be thinking or be looking for the area of concentration where you pay attention to study in order to help you to succeed, or in order to help you to pass Post UTME examination. All right, it is very simple. It is very, very simple. Okay, so Post UTME, unlike JAMB, where you have your JAMB syllabus and you study with your JAMB syllabus. Okay, so the way you study your JAMB syllabus, now the way the school sets their question, now they set their question based on also with the JAMB syllabus. All right, so they set their question also with JAMB syllabus, and they also set their some of their questions with what's it called, O level questions. All right, so that's your secondary school. Some questions for some schools come from there. Majority of the schools come from secondary school. Some comes from post JAMB syllabus. Okay, so if you ask me what is my advice, or what I want to add, what will I advise my candidate to do in this kind of scenario, or what do I want people, or if anybody calls me and asks me what will be my advice to the person. All right, so my advice to the person is also very simple. My advice is to look at the JAMB syllabus. All right, so read and study from those JAMB syllabus. Then you also study your O-level questions as well. That's your secondary school questions, more especially SS1, SS2, and SS3 respectively. The reason why they reference secondary school is because they believe that most of you guys must have forgotten so many things you learned in secondary school. All right, so when you have a highly competitive school, when in a highly competitive school, they want to look for a way to disqualify as many candidates as they can. All right, so that's why they want to lay hand in those areas. Right, so it is better for you to tackle those areas as well, so that wherever you get where they get their questions from, you are ready for them. All right, so you tackle those areas as well. And that's why it is important for you to buy Post UTME past question for your school. So the reason why you are buying Post UTME past question is to read with their past question. You will see how, like, you will see the pattern, the pattern of their questions, the way they normally set their questions, where they get their questions from. Like, from there you can deduce and get their where the questions is coming from, the topics and the areas you will concentrate, because we have a compiled questions for all schools, Post UTME past questions for all schools. All right, so when you look at this year, let's assume that you look at 2012, you see this is their questions. You look at 2013, this is their question as well. You look at 2014, this is their question. So from there now, you now check and see the areas where they repeat their questions from, or they pick their topics from. All right, from there you can read from those angles, then get yourself ready for the exam. Okay, so there is no special syllabus for Post UTME. All right, however, that's the only way you can practice with the syllabus. Okay, practice with JAMB syllabus, then you also practice with your secondary school textbooks as well. All right, so you pay attention to the both of them, pay equal attention to the both of them. And as well, most importantly, you need to have Post UTME past question. So I know also you will also be wondering where you'll be getting this Post UTME past question. Okay, don't worry, we'll have Post UTME past questions for all schools. All right, so let me know in the comment section. All right, I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. After that, get to give you the Post UTME past question. It will cost you a little to get the Post UTME past question. Before now, we're giving it out for free, and now it's no longer free again because it's late. All right, so it will cost you a little token. I said a little token to get the Post UTME past question. Okay, so let me see your success. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notification, because I'm dropping so many things here and you don't want to miss it out. All right, so let me see your success, and until I see you again in our next video, don't forget that Brainy Bites do love you guys. All right, let me see you all. All right, let's go, and when we go, let's keep winning.